Hello, my name is Kyle and I'm a rising junior at Garden City High School. Today I've been showing you the useless machine. This is how it works. Essentially, as you can see, it is useless, as it does not do anything besides turn itself off. So, of course, there's a lot more that goes into the project than meets the eye. For example, there's motors, LEDs, and switches that are all hidden inside of the mechanism, which are very important to understanding how it works. So, there's a motor in here known as a DC motor, and what this is a motor that can be shifted clockwise or counterclockwise based on the magnetic force of attraction that is being pulled upon it, and this is activated after you hit the toggle switch. And what's happening is there's an electric flow or a current that is going to be able to activate the switch. So then after that, there's one LED that's inside the mechanism that can turn both red and green, because it's a tri-LED. So essentially what's happening is once the switch is pressed, it's red, and what's important to note is that it's in a parallel circuit, which basically means that instead of one square or circular path, there's multiple paths that the current could take. As a result, the current will allow it to turn red once the switch is first activated, and then green only after that switch has been pressed back. In addition, it's important to note that there's a limit switch, which is essentially a switch that will only be activated after there's pressure applied to it. Overall, I felt like this project was really fun and I had a great experience building it. There were a couple of lessons though that I did learn. One first being soldering. I felt like this was something that I was a little nervous about, not exactly sure how to do it, but after even a 10-15 minute training session, I felt a lot more comfortable with it. In addition, there was another life lesson that I really learned in this one, is that if something isn't working, you should not try to keep doing the same thing, but instead try to find a different solution to your problem. I had a problem with this because there's these screws on top of the mechanism, and I had a problem with getting them on, and I was keep trying the same technique. Yet once I tried a different technique, it would work a lot better. But overall, I felt like the useless machine was a very good project to build, and I really did have a lot of fun with it. And yeah, thanks for watching.